Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's been a while, but I'm back. And you know, when I take a little bit of a break, the video that I make next is going to be a banger. And this one has been long requested, all right? You guys have been asking me for the story behind the brand that me and my partner took from zero to $924,000 in sales. And today I'm going to reveal everything, the entire story. This was one of the funnest and craziest stories I've ever had when it came to a drop shipping store. And I've had some crazy ones. I mean, I took stores from zero to $250,000 in the matter of 20 days. I've had some insane stores and I've done $7.5 million in sales, but this one store has been the craziest by far because I almost landed myself on Shark Tank. Let's talk about it. All right. About 3 years ago, I met this guy named Ronell. He shot me a DM on Instagram, right? He sent me the word mentor, which if you follow me on Instagram and you want my help, usually DM me the word mentor or ecom, something like that. And we had a whole conversation and I saw a lot of potential with this kid. He just, always was asking questions and always, just wanted to do things with me. And he started to really understand the fundamentals of dropshipping and finally hit a winning product. Now, this is when it started to explode. And I saw this kid go from nothing to start getting 20K days organically, literally with zero ad spend, just posting videos of his product on TikTok and Instagram. And it was insane. All right. He started to explode. And he came to me and he's like, dude, this is my first time really exploding my sales. I want to capitalize this as much as possible. So we did a lot of different things. We ended up partnering on this store and I came in there and I did a lot of paid ads for the brand. Now, what is the product that we sold? It was actually these cloudy sharks. Now, you probably remember this product. This product was an absolute banger and every single summer it comes back. And as you can see, we even sold the winter slides. This is our Instagram and our TikTok. We ended up selling the brand. I'll tell you about that as well. And the craziest part is that we took the top videos that went super viral and actually let me play them for you.
This is your sign to get you and the gang Shark slides. Shark Squad.
So the most simplest videos went viral for the page. We took those videos and I ran them as something called Spark ads. So what you want to do is you want to take these video ads and you want to run them as ads so you get more people to view it because it's already working. And that's exactly what we did. And we were able to really explode the sales. Now, at around this time, I got an Instagram DM from someone that works at Shark Tank. And they told me, hey, Sam, we are interested in having one of your brands potentially come on Shark Tank. So we ended up shooting this application video and it's the cringiest thing to watch now, but it's actually hilarious. I want to show it to you, okay? Take a look.
Hey Sharks, my name is Sam.
And my name is
Squeakiest
from Texas.
And I'm 21 from New York. We created the Cloudy Sharks. And over the last 90 days, we built this brand to $750,000 in total revenue at just the age of 18 and 21. We're here to show you why you should have us on the Shark Tank show. Let's do it.
Let's do it. So we started this brand a little over 90 days ago. As you know, the last few years have been a little tough, and we did it because we wanted to bring some smiles to people's faces. So our brand name is Cloudy Sharks, and we sell different types of...
Anyways, you guys get the point, okay? Now, we got this email back, which was the most memorable day I've ever had. Shark Tank got back to us and said, congratulations on making it to the next round of Shark Tank. You're still being considered for the season. So we had no idea that there was going to be multiple rounds to get into Shark Tank. We thought we were in. This does not mean you're on the show. It means that we have shown your tape producers they liked it and you were considered for Shark Tank season 14. Next step is to actually fill out this agreement, blah, 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 blah. Now, this was an insane moment for me because, I was making a ton of money with dropshipping. It was life-changing. This was when I was starting to get real success with dropshipping and we were crushing it. Okay. Now we weren't sure what was the next steps. We are one of the only people selling this product, but it was crazy because Shark Tank was something that I grew up watching. And for them to actually say that we are potentially going to be on the show, it was just an incredible moment. Now, what happened after that? That's the question. Okay. As you can see, we had this massive spike. We started to come down in sales and that's when we started to revive it once more, which was actually when we introduced the winter slides. Okay. So as you can see, we put in these winter slides. We had a huge Black Friday weekend selling these winter slides. It's actually a great product to sell now because I don't really see anyone selling them. I think people forgot that they were a huge winner and we were able to revive it. I think we did around 100K in sales after that. As you can see, this little spike, and that was enough for us to get the brand sold. We made a 6-figure exit. Literally, I remember that wire. I was like, this is insane. So we sold the store and that was the end of Cloudy Sharks on our end. Now, how would I do this all over again? What exactly did we do so incredibly correct when it comes to Cloudy Sharks, and how can you replicate it for your own brand, your own dropshipping store? Let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're gonna need to build $1 million dropshipping store, and is exactly what we had, it was a product that was untapped. Now, it doesn't mean that the product you're selling needs to have 0 competitors. What it means is you need to find a product that nobody is really doing correctly. And what do I mean by that? Number one, the product that we were selling, people did not have a good website for. They did not have good marketing for, okay? So the marketing and the website for anyone that was selling this product was completely trash, okay? So trash, okay? I don't even know what that is, but you guys get the point, okay? When you are selling a product that there's 15 competitors selling and they're doing an incredible job, they have 500 creatives that are on point, their website and offer and angle and everything just looks perfect. How are you going to compete with that? It's extremely hard to do that. So to find an untapped product, we're gonna go to calidata.com and we're gonna click on products here. I like to use Calidata because it shows you the top TikTok shop products. And if it's doing well in TikTok shop, what we need to do is bring it over to Shopify and just sell it way better and way more branded than they're doing on TikTok shop. Plus, we can utilize the videos that are going viral on TikTok shop for our own marketing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on the left-hand side to the filters, and it's extremely important that you put by the launch date within the last 30 days. We're gonna click on submit here, and you can even put the revenue at least $10,000 in sales. Now, just like that, you're gonna see a lot of incredible products here that are going super viral. For example, these classic Spider-Man clogs could be good if it wasn't a copyrighted product, or even this product, as you can clearly see, is going crazy on TikTok shop right now. You can even click on the listing and then come down over here to the bottom hand side where you can see all the video ads that are actually getting all the views. You can see this one did 62,000 sales, 14,000, 13,000. And what this product is a hotel diffuser. So it basically makes your home smell really good. And how many people have homes? A lot of people, and homeowners spend a lot of money. So that's what I'm looking for. A product that, number one, is cheap to source, shout out Commercive. Number two, has high profit margins. And the only way to sell a product for high profit margins is by having it in a niche that people spend a lot of money. Now, I really like the following niches. Number one, I like home products, okay? That has been a massive winner for me. Clothing has been a big winner as well for me, because clothing is something that always has different trends and styles. You can even look at shoes. For example, Cloudy Sharks is kind of like a shoe brand, and trends are always changing. So clothing is a huge one as well. I also like supplements, jewelry, and gifts. Now, I know a lot of people, they like to sell beauty products and pet products. Now, although those are great niches, it's flooded with competitors, and I like to stay away from the herd rather than always following what everyone else is doing. That's a huge tip that will actually make you money with dropshipping. Once you find a product that you want to sell, you're going to want to get sourced. Now, here's a big mistake that mostly beginner dropshippers make, is that they try to source products using AliExpress or untrustworthy private suppliers. The supplier that I recommend is Commercive. I highly recommend you use a private supplier to source your products so you have better profit margins and you have faster shippings and you don't get shut down from chargebacks and everything else that usually comes with using AliExpress or some of these random Chinese suppliers. Commercive usually deals with bigger e-commerce sellers, but if you're just getting started, they have a Discord, which I'll leave the link down below for. Once you're inside, you can create a ticket and literally be able to talk to one of their team members, get your product sourced at the best price and fastest shipping. Now let's talk about your website. I see so many people creating the most basic AI Shopify stores that even their mom wouldn't buy from. Let's be real. If you truly want to succeed with dropshipping in 2026 and beyond, you're going to need a branded store just like this one. I can show you countless examples of actual good branded dropshipping stores that you can't even tell are dropshipping. And if you're going on your store and you look like a dropshipper, you're instantly losing out. Now, yes, there are good AI store builders, which I'll make a separate video for, but it's important that whatever you're going to do, you want to make sure that your layout and your images are on point. I highly recommend downloading this free Chrome extension called Koala Inspector. It'll actually show you what theme some of these top Shopify stores are using. For example, this one is using the Minimog, and this one, let's go ahead and see what they're using, the Impact, which by the way, I love the Impact theme. I also like Shrine, which is a great theme as well. And the Sense theme is good for a free one. Now, one thing that every $1 million dropshipping store does is that they optimize for something called AOV. Now, the simple way of understanding AOV is whoever can get their customer to spend as much as money on their website as possible will win. Now, as you can see on these two examples, they clearly are doing a good job on that. This website is getting people to go ahead and buy 4 devices, 2 devices, or the 1 device, which they're clearly showing the better deal is going for the 2 or the 4. Getting people to go ahead and buy more to save. You want to do bundles just like this to really get people to spend as much as they can on your website, because advertising is getting more expensive every year. And the only way to survive and actually thrive is by getting your customers to spend at least $50 per sale. That is the minimum you want to get them to spend on your website. You also can include free ebooks using ChatGPT to raise the perceived value of your product. Obviously, if you have really nice branding, you have a great looking website, you're gonna look premium, and people are going to be okay and feel safe spending so much on your website. With this example, they're going ahead and getting people to buy 2 or 3 mattress sheets by telling them that this is the most popular option, and it's also $79 each instead of $99 each. Plus, they're getting free socks when they buy 2 or more. Now, emails for us were an absolute printer when it came to our AOV and actually getting a ton of profit that we shouldn't have had. Now, most dropshippers and e-commerce sellers totally overlook emails, but it's the single thing that is completely free. A lot of people ask me what is the best way to set up email flows and campaigns to actually squeeze out as much as profit and sales from the existing customers that are already on your website. And for me, that's OmniSend. Now, OmniSend is an email and SMS tool, and this is something next level. They generate over $60 on average for every $1 spent on their tool. And let me tell you, they're way more cost effective than similar features that other tools have. And trust me, I've looked into it. So you can actually go onto the Shopify store and just download their app just like that. Their onboarding process is super fast and super simple. As you can see, you can set up campaigns, automations, and so much more with their tool. Plus, with the code Sam Jacobs, you can get 30% off all plans for the first 3 months. So go check out OmniSend in the link in the description. More than ever going to 2026, details matter. If you truly want to crush it with dropshipping, you gotta do it right. Now let's move on to the most popular one of all, ads. How are we going to get traffic to our website, and how are we going to really scale? Now, for me, there was 2 platforms that we focused on. One was TikTok ads, and the second was Facebook ads. Now, to reiterate, what we did was we took the most viral clips from our page and we used those as ads, something called Spark ads. Now, for those people who suck at creating content, like me, you have 2 different options. One, you can partner up with a creator, a UGC creator, to make you videos and have them host the videos and you run those as ads. Or number 2 is the little unethical way, and just a quick disclaimer, I don't endorse this, but this is what dropshippers do. They go on TikTok, they look up their product, and then take the most viral videos and run those as Facebook and TikTok ads. Now, Facebook ads is the better way of doing this because the videos are already viral on TikTok, so you're basically just downloading them without a watermark and you're moving it over to Facebook ads. But you can also use AI tools to create your own ads, so let's talk about that. So for your creatives, when it comes to AI creatives, here are the top tools that I recommend right now. Arc ads to create your video ads or to create voiceovers and AI models. You can also use Sora. I really like Sora, especially for B-roll. And then 11 Labs is really good for voiceovers. And then for images, I'm usually using Creative OS plus ChatGPT or Creative OS plus my own graphic designer. Essentially, what you're trying to achieve is you're trying to get volume and creative and quality, okay? So volume and quality. The brand that has the most volume and the most creative quality will always win. So if you're only testing with 10 creatives, you're doing it all wrong. So like I said before, there's 2 ways of advertising in 2026 with your dropshipping store. If you want it to $1 million in sales, you only need 1 of them. Now, TikTok ads was a massive part in our success with Cloudy Sharks. Now, I will say TikTok ads isn't as good as it used to be, but it's still massively profitable. And you should not forget about this platform because it literally has most of the attention of social media, and wherever attention is, money is. So right now, the reason why I would pay attention is because TikTok ads has an incredible offer that you spend $200, you get $200. Spend $500, get $500. Spend $1,500, get $1,000. Now, it even goes up to $10,000, but you have to use use the affiliate link that I put down below to get access to the promo, and it must be spent in the first 30 days. So usually I wouldn't go crazy when it comes to TikTok ads, but because they have this insane promo, you can literally spend, let's say, $6,000 and get $4,000 in free ad credit. You can almost break even on your product and get $4,000 for free in advertising. And then you can just send traffic to your Shopify store and get that $4,000 in sales for free with zero ad spend. So that's why I would definitely get on this ASAP. I believe this offer will be completed from what they tell me by the end of 2025. Now, when it comes to Facebook ads, my structure is more simple than ever. Facebook, because of their new algorithm and their new updates, they're making it easier for advertisers just like you and me to start with Facebook ads and scale to 10K a day and beyond. Now, how do we do this? Very simple. We're gonna click on sales over here. We're gonna keep things very, very broad. As you can see, just to do a quick speed run here, we're gonna turn off catalog. We're gonna keep a campaign budget of about $100 in spend per day. And if you have a lower budget, you could do 50, but leaving this for at least 48 hours to run is going to be key to letting Facebook do its job of getting you sales. Then coming here on the ad set, all you're going to do is make sure that this is on purchase. Even if it is gray like this, it just means that you haven't got purchase yet. So make sure it's on purchase and then set it for midnight the next day. So let's say midnight, boom, just like that. You're going to click on further limit the reach of your ads. And now you can target United States, or something that we've been seeing working recently is worldwide. So you can actually go worldwide just like that. Literally target everywhere, review your requirements, start tasks. And then we're going to exclude 3 countries. So Singapore, India, also Taiwan. Okay. Now the reason for that is because those 3 countries, you have to have special permission to run ads there. You can try to run ads there, you'll just be hit with a bunch of violations. Now, once again, you don't have to do worldwide. You can also start with the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Those are the top countries, or just United States. It doesn't really matter. Facebook will find your customers wherever they are. Then coming down here, you're going to want to keep everything the same. We're going to go into ad sets. We're going to click on use your Facebook page. We're going to click on show more settings. And the only thing that we're going to change here is we're going to click on the pencil button by platforms and just turn off threads. And then coming here to the new sales ad set, you're going to create your ads right in here. And then here is the most important part. We're going to click on the dots on the left-hand side. We're going to press on duplicate, and you're going to duplicate this as many times as you have creative. So for example, if you have 100 creatives, just give me an example, you can duplicate this 100 times. Okay. So let's say you have 50, whatever it is, right? You duplicate it 50 times. Now, let me just show you how that's going to look like. You see, it's going to make 50 different ads. You're going to go into each ad and just basically set up your creative right in here. Now for testing, I do recommend at least 10 to 20 creatives. Again, quality over quantity. We're gonna let that run for 48 hours. And then from there, if you are ripping, that means if you have at least a 2x ROAS, then it's time to scale. If not, you got some improvements to make iterations, try one more time, and then take it from there. If you still can't make it work and you're drop shipping, I would move to the next product. If you're running a real brand, you're gonna wanna try a few different offers, a few different landing pages until you crack the code. And that's exactly what is working right now when it comes to dropshipping. Little case study for you. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Peace out.